Baby bird the dog's dumplings. No, dude, that's fucking weird, dude. I don't think I'm gonna do that. That's a very strange thing to do. Koa, you eat your food. Feed the dog. Okay, you know what? Fine, I'll give them each a dumpling, okay? How about that? It's probably not good for them, but you know what? One for you. One for you. Felix, one for you. Oh, they both took it and ran away. Hey, you guys gotta eat your food. Cole, finish your food. Hey, finish your food over here. Hey, you back up from the gate. Cole, that's not your food. Alright, you know what? Whatever. You guys figure it out on your own. Alright, dude, we're going back to the cooking stream now. Back to the cooking stream. Alright, in today's video, I dipped my hand in some hot fry oil. Who's ready? No, I'm just kidding. Fry a dumpling. Yeah, I don't think so, Dab. And this thing takes like 10 minutes to heat up, bro. And I don't think we got another 10 minutes. You know what I mean, dude? Like it's getting pretty late, dude. It's already 11:30. Oh my god, dude. I've been streaming for an hour and 10 minutes, dude. I mean, yeah, you could deep fry a dumpling, but they're not that good. You know what I mean? They're not that good. They're not that good up in there, man. Hey, you know what? Let's have some dessert, you guys. Let's have some dessert. Let's see what we got. Alright, we got some cheese. Wow. We got extra large ranch. We got a bottle of hoisin sauce. I got a bunch of instant miso soup. We got some popcorn. We got some whatever this is for some cheese, probably. Oh, got a can of pineapples. I guess we could put some ranch on the pineapples. Ooh, got some pear slices. What else we got in here? Ooh, we got some Alfredo sauce from Walmart. We got some quick rise instant yeast. Panko crusted fried pineapple. And then we got some bread. We got some funnel cake pitcher and mix. I got a whole tub of lard. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I already got some pretty bad heartburn. Eat the lard. What else we got? We got some ice. Ooh, this looks good. Too bad I'm lactose intolerant. We got some butter. We got some more butter. Oh man. Dude, I don't feel too good all of a sudden. Anyways, we got our wok over here. Uh-oh, looks like our computer's dying, you guys. No, that's not black mold, dude. would think I would know if I had some black mold. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the studio lights because this battery is freaking on fire, bro. Alright. Oh my god, dude, look what happened to my fucking eel sauce. It's like solid. Ooh. This is thicker than some caramel, dude. This is like caramel. Put it in your hair. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do that, dude. That sounds kind of stupid. I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up so I can clean it. Use the eel sauce as lube to milk. Oh my god. But keep audio on. Dude, that sounds fucking like not a good idea, dude. Oh, I'm gonna throw some water in here too. That sounds like one of those things that would get you banned pretty quick. Yo, you guys, I need some ideas on what to make, dude. Something quick. There's no proof. Oh, there's proof, dude. Who wants to watch me microwave an egg? Microwave cupcake? I don't have any cake, my dudes. You go watch me do the dishes. That'll be fun. I guess you could hear me do the dishes. Yeah, we're doing the dishes, boys. Doing the dishes. Woo! Oh yeah, anyways, I was gonna make an announcement earlier, but when you guys distracted me, I'm gonna start clipping some of these streams, or maybe even just putting the whole stream up on YouTube. You know, maybe probably clipping it though. Yeah, I'll probably just clip all these past streams onto YouTube or something. Maybe make like a new YouTube channel, you know, called Cooking with Kiwis. Yeah, what do you guys think about cooking with kiwis? That sounds pretty funny. Ooh, that was a strong smell coming off of here, dude. Listen to all the vinegar. What a strong aroma. What about cleaning with kiwis? Yeah, dude, cleaning with kiwis. Alright, you guys. Looks like we're starting to wrap things up here. Let's get another, let's get an end of stream look here. Yeah, it's not the same without the lights. Getting a nice end of stream look here at what we made today. Kiwi cooks and cleans. Well, yeah, dude, of course I cooks and cleans. Yeah, dude, go back in the stream, you know, go see how we made them, you know? Go see how we made them. Alright. Oh, and make sure you hit up my other videos, too. We've done, like, what, 5 streams in the last couple days? Let's see, I made, yeah, make sure you follow. Let's see, what did I make the first night? I made some, oh yeah, it was those King's Hawaiian sliders. You guys remember those King's Hawaiian sliders? And then after that, we had some ham, like actual ham, and some potatoes and some rolls, dude. And what did we make after that? I think after that was the spicy tuna rolls.